Good morning! So, I just only want to share with you my finished cross stitch. Ayan. So, ginawa ko ito ng 1 year on and off during the lockdown of March 2020. Ayan, nag-start na ako nito. And I'm just so happy na na-finish ko siya and finally, nasa wall na namin. Beautiful. Also, my painting. Ayan, so sunset. Ito yung sunset na ginawa ko din during the lockdown of 2021 naman ito. Ayan, since nasa bahay lang ako, so I need to find something to do. So, I started this one. Ito yung unang-unang ginawa ko na painting. Ay eto, by the beach naman ito. So, during the lockdown pa rin, it's easy, you can just order online. So, ready-made na ito. May canvas na siya. May drawing na. Then, you paint them by the numbers. Last naman, ito yung parang may similarity siya ng sa Paris. Diba? Sa Paris yung naglalakad ka during the autumn time. So, eto. These are my work. My finished paintings. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Ayan. So guys, yan. So naka-display na siya sa harapan ng aking bed. Ayan. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.